Alright, this is going to be the final ride on the elevators here at Old Navy Herald Square in New York, New York. The store is closing. It's going to be replaced with a Primark. B. Here we are at 3. Let's go back down to B. Let's get a cab view. It's your industrial looking elevator. That's because, like I said in a previous video, this was one of those older Old Navy stores that had the industrial style look to it. But in recent years they've done away with that in favor of a more modern look. Send this car up, try to get a ride on the other one. I like the hall lanterns. I might have to mute parts of the audio because there's copyrighted music playing. Here it is. I think these are Schindler. I'm not sure though. Here we go. Cab view, identical to the other one. I'm not sure when exactly the store is closing. I think it's closing sometime in March. And I'm sad to see it go, but with the Times Square store, there's really no need to keep this store open. I guess we can watch the Acme indicator. Here we are at ground, which is really 1. Yeah, I'm gonna miss these elevators. And their roaring motors. Someone called it. And there it goes, and that's it.